We will not go into the New Year's with a Christmas tree attached to each other. No, no, no. My philosophy is Christmas tree comes down before New Year's Day. Either, well, on New Year's Day or the day before. So as December 31st comes in, when the countdowns begins, I shouldn't have a Christmas tree. So we're going to take this down now, not tomorrow, not later, not for the whole year. I know some people do whole year things, but no, we're taking this tree down today. All of this gotta go. So let's take it down. I gotta get this off of here. It's all. Step one is done. Let's get to the top because this must come down before the first. Let's see if I can. Oh, final piece. Let's get the rest of this off of here because I'm excited to take it down though. We will not go into the New Year's with a Christmas tree attached to each other. No, no, no. Ooh. No one touch it. Ooh. All done. All right, so now that's out of the way. That's like the first agenda. We're not going into 2026 with a Christmas tree. After this is complete, we're gonna do some cleaning, but take down the Christmas tree, okay? That's unless you want to keep it up all year, but take it down.